Facebook pages help you have different social platforms for your different businesses. Now it is easier when you only have one business or one thing to do, like you're a public figure or you're an artist, then you can just turn your profile into a professional profile and use it. But if you have multiple businesses that you like to present on Facebook, then using Facebook pages can be the most helpful thing. Now in this video we're going to look at how to create a Facebook page and optimize it for SEO ranking. So let's go right into it and see what you need to do. If you want to create a Facebook page, the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Facebook profile. Now remember that this will help you easily access all the Facebook features. Now once you're on your Facebook profile, just click on the home page or the home button on Facebook, then go to the right hand side. Now you can scroll down to see some of the things that you can do here. Within this you will not see pages. You have to click on the see more option, then you scroll down. Now when you scroll down in this section here, you will see pages here. Now you tap on pages and you'll get a list of all the pages that you have created before or you have managed. If you don't have any page, then this place will be blank. Now you need to scroll down to see all the pages, but if you want to create a new page, you go to the top left hand side and then you have the create new page button. So I'm just going to call this a test page, and then we will just delete it afterwards. So just say test page for instance. Now after creating giving your page a name, you can give it a bio. A bio is simply like a description of your page, something that people will actually help people understand what your page is about. So let me just say test info for instance. Let's just go to one tool here that I use to generate maybe simple descriptions. My connected keyboard, it does not like type some letters because it is like a second device that I use. So I'm just going to open this and create a simple maybe description for a beauty page. Just simple description for a beauty page, Facebook page. Now I'm just going to not copy the whole of this thing, but I'll just take a certain section of it. So I don't want it to be too long because they have a limit to the number of words. So just copy that up to, let's say here. It's just a test, so I don't have to like make it too complex. Then I'll come back to my Facebook page creation section here and remove all this and paste it. After creating the description, you should think about choosing a category for your maybe let's say page. So if you say, let's say maybe sports for instance, if I'm a sports person, I would just text sports and then I will create my page. Now if I tap create page, I'll come and edit it later or delete it because I do not want to like create this page. I can optionally like convert it into something else or into a different page. Now this page is going to be created and then you'll have like the option to do other things. Like now for instance, now we have more fields here. We can add a website if I have one. I can add a phone number that is going to be linked to this account here. I can also add an email, add a location, work hours if I have those. Then I'll go to the next page. I'll add a profile picture that will appear right here. Then I'll add a cover photo that will appear in the background of my profile picture. Now this can be created using Canva, and there are already tutorials that take you through how to do those, how to create a cover photo and a profile picture. An action button is this, what you see here. Now these are the things that help your users either contact you or like perform an action on your page or website. So below the profile picture and the description, you have the buttons follow and message that have been grayed out right now. But if you add an action button, you can make it easy for people to, like, if you have a shop, if you want them to sign up to a page. If I added that for instance, and I need a website link, so let me just take like a simple blog link here so that you know how this works. So if I take this link here, for instance, I just copy the whole of this and come and paste it here. I can add that there and save, and then now my button will be active because now people will be able to sign up whenever I post anything. So I have that. Then I can now go to next, connect WhatsApp. So we are going to create another video on how to do this with an existing page. But if you're creating it for the first time, it is easy. You just have to add a WhatsApp number, but we are going to skip that for now. Once you're done, now you need to like get people to know that you've created your page. You need to like have users or followers or potential customers if you're selling, or just friends or fans. Now you need to invite friends. Now this option here gives you all your Facebook friends and those you can invite. I mean, like how you can send invites to them. So you can either select all or just select a certain section, or just like select specific people whom you want to share your page with, and then at the very bottom you see send invite. So if I like select one, I have sent invites. If I say select all, it will send to all of them. But if I just want to select 1,000 for instance, it will send to the 1,000 friends that I have chosen to invite here. Other ways to grow your page is through maybe commenting and engaging with your followers, or just with any content that relates to your page nature or the type of page that you have created. Now that is simply how you create a Facebook page for your business. The other linkings, you can just do them afterwards, after the creation process, so you can keep optimizing it to fit what you want, or to maybe best fit your audience needs.